DEFI AI Smart Pill Bottle. With how busy we are, it is easy to forget to take our meds. DEFI Smart Pill Bottle can keep you on schedule. Uncertain when to take your doses? DEFI reminds you and sends alerts to your phone. But don't worry if you don't have your phone. The pill bottle has standalone alarm built right in. It also displays the last time it was opened. Worry less when it comes to med schedule. Unsure what you took and when? DEFI makes it easy to check your medication logs. Just use your DEFI app. Too many meds? Let your smart pill bottle keep track. Connect up to 8 devices via Bluetooth. Wire-free design makes it convenient to take. Accidentally leave your meds behind? DEFI app will send you a gentle reminder. Support us on Kickstarter now and begin your smart medication management today. For better medication management for all of us. DEFI AI Smart Pill Bottle. Ready for your support on Kickstarter.